Hello everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this rocket Appartamento here. So this machine came in because it needed a new pressure stat. Actually, the Rocket recommends switching the pressure stat to their newer model that has a filter on it. So this is the old one. And then I saw while I was in the machine that the power switch was burnt, some of the connections were burnt, and also some of the wires throughout the machine were burnt, so I just did a little bit of rewiring, replaced that old switch. Here's some of the old burnt connections. Then I found that the machine did an overhaul. The valves throughout the E61 style group head were just old and shaven down. So here are some of the old ones. You can see here, there. So, and there were a few gaskets in there that I replaced too. So all of those are replaced along with the group head gasket. You can see here, this is the old one. Let's see. And the last repair was the machine ended up needing a pump, so I replaced it with a brand new pump, and that's about it for this repair. I did descale the machine and backflush the group head as well, so I'm just going to do a quick test to show you that everything is working. This is our test coffee, so it's not calibrated to the machine. Might not be the perfect shot, but it's just to show that everything works. So I'll stop it there. As you can see, we're able to get a really nice shot of espresso with thick crema, and then I'll show you the steam. There you go. That's about it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.